5600 rounder. That ram right there is why we're not baling hay with it. That's why we had to hire it done. In the other video you saw the neighbor's John Deere setup. Come in, wrap it up for us with no trouble. This ram blew on the top and left us kind of high and dry. So this baler belongs to a friend of mine. I have a 5800 rounder, a little older than this one, and this baler works with continuous belt bottom. And then it has a series of 4-inch belts on the back. My baler is considered a cornstalk special. It has 10-inch belts on the outside and then 4s in the center. But it does not run a continuous belt like this baler. And the difference being mine requires to be fed before belts start turning. This baler does not. It automatically starts turning immediately, and we're going to move you a little bit. And it starts wrapping immediately. So I'm going to give you a tour around the baler. Hopefully it's not in our favor this morning for shooting. The baler is a pickup size, pretty traditional round baler. Single hydraulic full setup, nothing complicated. We're gonna put some new hydro lines. If you can see there, little weather cracks. Again, this is a neighbor's, a buddy. It's been sitting a little bit, so we'll get them things shaped up and get it ready to roll for the next cutting. So just a short clip on the 5600 Heston, and we will show you some other reasons we had so much trouble first cutting.